Okay, it's Peter here. I just want to take you through eCom Pages, which is a Shopify theme builder. So Shopify's done about $12 billion dollars of revenue. Um, so it's pretty significant. It's about 1% of the CRM market, and lots of typical pages are getting 3 million um, hits per month and all that kind of stuff. So it's all happening. But obviously the thing is that creating your own kind of personalised looking store is not so easy. So that's where John's Shopify theme builder comes in. And if you want to get your own one, you can just go to clickjustclick.com, John Shopify theme builder. clickjustclick.com/John Shopify theme builder. The link will be below the video, depending where you see the video, but there should be a link somewhere. Anyway, let me take you through the problem. So you've got your basic Shopify store, and that's all great, and you can go to themes, and there's lots of themes that you can do, but you can see that all the free ones are fairly kind of boring, really. They're very kind of square. That one's not even a free one. And then the ones that are slightly more interesting, like that one, is $180. So even if you want just a different theme, which is a bit more than the ordinary ones, you're still looking at $180 for that. Now, if you want to do anything different to what's in the theme, like in the layout, so the reason I like this one is because of the product images are different sizes, whereas in these ones they're all kind of the same and square layout. So that's why I like this one. But if you get this theme and you want to do this to it, you can't. You need to design or have your own theme designed. And even if you want to do something simple like let's say we use this theme, even though we pay $180 for it, let's say we want to put social share buttons up here. You can't. Okay, so that's where eCom Pages comes in. So let me just get rid of that. So basically you can just create your own theme and then just upload it and then then use it. So let me show you no. Let me show you what's happening. So you've got the dashboard, all your projects are down here. If you want to get to the members area, you can go there, and that will take you to the training. You can see there's lots of videos how to use it. It's very simple, but obviously there's some little inside tricks, like the difference between long rows and short rows and all this kind of stuff, but it takes you through anything you need to know. They're all moderately short videos, I think, 5-10 minutes or something, and but everything you need to know is there. It's all very straightforward, but it's if you need any help, it is there. So your projects come up here, and you can just create a new project as you want. And when you've got your projects here, you can either edit it, clone it if you want to do a variation on it, or download it. So obviously once you've finished it, you download it and then import it into Shopify. But let's have just a quick look at this thing. So the first thing is that in Shopify there's lots of different pages. So you can have the home page, which is the thing that they're going to land on. You've got the catalog page, which is kind of all your departments together. You've got your individual product page with your product details. You've got a blog if you want to use the blog. You've got an about us page, and then you've got the the checkout cart page. And you do need to fill all of these in. If you want a fully working theme. I haven't done the blog, so my blog wouldn't work. So if I want to add my blog stuff, I would need to put my posts or whatever in here. So the way it works is basically you've got these these rows, and you can add more rows just by clicking that, and you can decide if you want them to be one column or two column or whatever. So let's say we want a 2-column thing for this, and then let's say down here we want a 1-column one. So let's say we want to put the posts as a full width thing, and you just drop it in the post like that, and you can see it's done there. Now the other thing that's a bit weird is when you push save, it doesn't let you know it's saved, and the dialog box doesn't go away, but it has actually saved. So do remember to click save, but then just click close. So I've got my full width blog post here, but if I want to put anything that I want up here, I can just drag that in, or I could drag an image or a video or whatever I want to do above that. So let's just put a heading in. Okay, maybe we want that all the time. Obviously it could have a logo or something nice. It could be a model or a picture. As I say, you click save, it doesn't think you've done it, but you have, and then you just need to get rid of that. And then if you want an image, you could put an image over here. Maybe you want a really nice constant image all the time. Let me just get an image. Hang on. Okay, let's say I want this is my image that I want. There all the time. Again, it could be branded or whatever. It could be a picture of more of my normal contents or whatever I want. I should have made that a bit smaller. It's a huge print image, that one, but anyway. So that's going to go in, and once that's happened, once it's happened, you can do whatever you want to it. You can add border. You can got your color picker there, and let's do something like that. And should I click save? So, oh, hang on, no, I was doing. There we go. I'll leave that. Okay, and it should go in. I'm not quite sure why it's not got those bits on it, but anyway, it's going to go in there. Obviously, I should make it the right size and all that kind of stuff, or resize it in the thing. If you want to make an edit, you can just do that. Let's do show me some pixels. Let's do 640, something like that. Okay, I presume it will show us that later. So you can do whatever you want. So that's my blog page now. Don't forget to save the theme when you're finished. But so you need all these pages. So I've created my own home pages. It's very different to the default. Well, I picked the venture theme, so on the venture theme, the home page looks like this. Okay, there should be a product collection, 6 product collections here, but basically you can see it's got that and this, and it's a a text and a solid color thing there. So they prompted me to add the collection, and then if I go to my individual products, okay, there's my product here. So I've got a picture here, price, description down here, and some social share buttons there. Okay, that's what their theme, that particular venture theme looks like. So if I don't, if I want to change that, so here I've got my own home page. So I've got permanent flash style on here. I can put any HTML here. I'll put a link in there with just some HTML in there, so that could be a coupon code or something. I've done a 3-column thing here, so I've got that stuff going on there. That's the home page. The catalog page, I've just put a menu in for the minute. Obviously you need to spend more time filling in all the boxes, but with the with the product page, I put some navigation at the top there. I've made the product name go all the way across. I've put 2 add to cart buttons here, one above and below the product description. I put the picture over on the left, but equally if I wanted to do something else, I could have a full screen picture just by dragging it over there. Okay, I've got featured products down there as well, and there we go. And what else do I need to say? That's about it. So let's say we want to do that. All the other things you might want here: the SKU, the vendor. I can add collections, related products, social sharing. So if I want some social buttons, say, we should put them down there, I think. Then we can. But let's say I want to do just as an example. So I could add a row here. Make a 2-column row, and then over here I might just add a paragraph of text which explains why they should socially thingy our shop. Okay, we could put let's see, I guess we can put an HTML one in there. Sorry, I mean not, I could put HTML in there, but I'm actually going to drag the headline widget above that. Okay, and that's fine. Okay, and then we've instantly got that. Don't have to worry about HTML. So we've got that there, and then over here we might put the social buttons. So we can just drag and drop those on there, and then that's what's basically going to happen. Okay, if we're happy with that, we can save it. So I've got all my basic pages. Obviously I didn't do the catalog page very well. I've just got menus on that, but there we go. So maybe we'll put a collection on there. Let's say down here. Still one row, one there. So we could just drag a collection. Let's say collection 1. Where did that go? There it is. Onto there. Okay. Change anything we want about that there. Change the look of it and everything. So we've got that there. Yeah, and then let's just sure. Oh, I see. Right, so we just want to add a little product in there. Yeah, so there we go. Let's add a product in there. So we're happy with that. Yeah, I'll leave that as it is, isn't it? I need to play a bit longer without to fill that in. But anyway, we would just put our products in there, however it wants us to do it, and then we click save, and then basically we're there. And then so we filled in all the pages. We've changed our product page, to be quite different. We've added some extra stuff on the home page, and there we are. And then we just exit that, sorry, and then we just download that. Okay, that's cool. That's 2 or something. Okay, and then we just go to Shopify, and it took me a little while to find this, so I'm just going to show you where it is. So we just go to themes, and then there's this big button up here called upload theme, which I couldn't actually see for a long time. So that's where it is, and then we just find the zip file that it created, upload that in. Okay, and then the only other thing which is a bit weird is it doesn't activate it when you upload it, so you have to do publish after you've put it in. Okay, so that's uploaded, but it's not actually showing that theme at the moment. It's showing the theme I had in there before. So there's the Mark II theme that I just edited in front of you. So I've just got to click publish theme there. If you want to just see it, you can preview it there. I've published it to the main store now. So if we go to the main store, we would see what it had done. So let's see. So hang on. Okay, that's not my theme, that's the venture theme. So remove that. Oh, I see. It put that over. That's weird. Okay, it put the preview over the top. Anyway, so here's my custom home page. So you can see I've got this in there all the time. I've got this HTML in here with that in there. As I said, I didn't do these things very well, but you know, I've got my blog stuff there. I've got my menu here, and I've got my main collections here. And then when I go to the product page, I've got my full width picture. Obviously that picture is not big enough, but yeah, we can put it there. We can normally zoom into that if it needs to be, but anyway, and you can see I've got the two add to cart buttons. I don't know where my buttons have gone actually, but we've got one there and one there. Okay, and then we've got the description and the SKU, price and quantity, which has gone in, and then here's what we did with the two columns here. So we've got, you know, the reason to socially like us, and then we've got the actual social share buttons, you know, right there. So the only thing that's a bit of a mystery is where the button's gone. So I'm not 100% sure why that is, but we can, you know, get that back. Now you can see we've got our own product page with, you know, full width picture here. If the picture was bigger, obviously, and I've got two buy buttons, and I've got my own social thing in here. So, and you know, I can put whatever I want. If I did wanted the about page, you know, when I get to the about page, there we go. I probably need to put a menu at the top there. So again, I mean, this shows you how flexible it could be. You know, I haven't got the standard header and footers at all because I didn't put them in. Anyway, you can see that I've got some little bits of permanent text in here. Obviously, the store owner can edit this just in the back end, but this is something that we put in deliberately. So this is showing the difference between the long row and the short row. So basically the long row is full width, so that would be better as an image. Okay, and then this would be something that we want to put in there. But you know, if you want to change that to be, you know, a permanent coupon or something, whatever, then it's as easy as let's get rid of that, as doing this. So we just go into the theme. We could clone it if we want it to be different. Okay, I find that particular page. That's the about page, which is there. Here's the text up here. So there's it in the long row, and there's it in the short row. So if I don't like it in the long row at all, I can take that off. Let's just put a let's get rid of that completely. There we go. And let's say we want to put a single row in there, and let's just put a sorry, I need to create that first. Let's put a full width picture over there. Hang on. So I just it could be a video, which would be exciting, wouldn't it? Let's try a video. I haven't tried a video. So let's do the video. Maybe we can put a URL in there. Let's find that out. Let's see if we can do that. I don't know if we can. That's all good. Oh, it looks like we can. Well, okay. So that's good. Hopefully that'll be full width. So the only thing that is a shame on this is you can't preview it. Oh yeah, it's going to go full screen. Brilliant. Is that we can't preview it particularly here. I mean, you get a rough, you know, very good clue as to what's going on. You know, if you want to change that text, you can. If you want to put a heading in there, you know, you can. Let's put, okay, whatever, and that should go in there. Let's check that. Because I put it in the wrong place. The content is there. This is the name of the thing. So right, content there. That's better. So we've got that there, and now we've got a video at the top. Okay. So then we can just save that. Let's just exit this, and we just save it again. let's call it Mark 3. Okay, and then we just go back to Shopify. So it only takes a second to put it in. So it's themes, upload theme. Mark 3. Oh, it's still coming down. Hang on. That's better. Sorry, I hadn't finished downloading. So because it's 5 meg big. Right. So that's not the Mark 3. Okay, we'll upload that. And 30%, 50%. Almost there. Okay, maybe I should have paused the video, but anyway, that's fine. And then, yeah, as I say, the weird thing is it's not published yet, so we would publish it first, but we can just preview it here if we want to. Okay, so what we changed on this one was the About page. So let's go to the About page, and you can see now we've got a full width video, okay, which is very good. And below that we've got our, what we did to this, and then this is editable by the store owner at any time, but this is it could be a coupon or something we want that's more fixed, but if we need to change it, then we can change it in the editor. Very simple eCom pages editor. So there we go. So the only thing I didn't put is I put navigation to go back, so I really should put some navigation in to go back thing, but I'll just use the back button from it. But you can see, we can radically do whatever we want and do it very quickly. So we've got our own product page with a full width image here, just the picture not being enough. We've got 2 buy buttons. I don't know where the button is, I need to sort that out. And we've got our own completely custom front page, and we've got our own about page with a full width video in, just from a YouTube video. We've got this in permanently to welcome or whatever, and there we go. And that's basically how easy it will be. So it's just because I haven't published this store and paid for it, so that's why it's asking for the password. So that's now the default theme, the Mark 3 one, which has got the full width video. Here we go. So I mean, that's very nice. So that's something that other people won't have. They won't have maybe a full width video up the top here. They won't have a little coupon thing here. Just navigation to go back up there, and they won't have the custom product page. If we want it to be left and right, we can do that. We can just put that down there. That's the tags there, and there was our social buttons and our social reason. We got the 2 buy buttons. So on the fact that my button's missing for some reason, that's it. But you can see it's very, very quick. It is very what you see is what you get. And importing the new theme is as simple as just uploading it using that button there. Now you've got it. You can edit your editable part of your about page as you want, anything like that. Obviously the products are going to be dynamic, so as you edit the products they'll go into that. Where I've used the collections, those collections will go into those placeholders for the collections. So I think I put one on there, didn't I? Yeah, so there's a collection there, so if I populate that out more, then that will that'll be there. Okay, so that's it. But as you can see, very, very easy to use, very quick, very WYSIWYG, very easy to make custom stuff without colouring, whatever. And and there you go. Obviously you can still colour stuff and that kind of thing once it's in a Shopify as well as in the app, so that's quite good. So what am I looking for? Let's just do that. Yeah, sorry, it's under online store themes, same place we uploaded it, but then once it's published, then you can still go customize theme and still change little things about it. So if we wanted let's pick the catalog page or something, or where's my catalog page gone? well, there we are. So we can do the colours. So you know, you can see it's using it for that. So we could have a background, you know, if we want. So you know, once we've designed the thing, we can still you know, change it in, you know, lots of different ways. So that looks like it's don't know which bit that is. Looks like that colour there, doesn't it? But anyway, let's see. No, it's not. Okay. That's going to be the. Oh, that's the surrounding. Okay. That's the text actually. That's that one. And okay, I just wonder what that colour for that is. Anyway, but it'll be somewhere. No, that's another one. That's going to be the font. That's not that one. I didn't use the footer. Okay, well, that's a mystery for another day. Just don't like that colour change with that there, but anyway. And yeah, so you can still customise it on the fly, yeah, with little things. But your layout is now, you know, your new funky, you know, whatever you've decided to, you know, to have. So as you can see, yeah, I've completely changed the layout, you know, for the home page and for my about page. Yeah, full length video and this and that's there, the coupon or something, and also with, and you can see I've even been able to take the navigation off if I want to make sure people, you know, focus or something. And then on my product listing page, you know, I've done whatever I want to do. Again, I could add videos or anything like that, and you know, I've put my custom social buttons in there, put the 2 buy buttons in there, and I put the full length, you know, image there, you know, just to you know, harp on about how easy it is to edit. I won't upload it again, but I'll just show you. So if we wanted to have on the product page the image to be you know, half the width, we can just, you know, literally pick it up and stick it in the half column, and now that's what we've got. Actually, I wanted it up there, I think. Yeah, there we go. So there we are. So now we've got the whatever title, got the product name all the way across. We've got the buy buttons there, and then we've got the half width image there, and their social buttons down the bottom. So it's, you know, that easy to, you know, to change it. And there we go. So other than the fact that I lost that button, which I don't quite understand. Oh, I see. Maybe I didn't colour it or something. Hang on, I don't do that, do I? Right, so we have a red button and oops, yellow text, and let's make it large. Ah, yeah, there we go. Okay. So that's yeah. So somehow I didn't put a nice button in. And then if we're happy with that, we just save it. If I will just import it, let me pause the video. Okay, so I've just uploaded my Mark IV theme now, which was there a minute ago, and oh, sorry, it's there. And so now if I check my store, I go to my product page because I changed the buttons, if you remember, and there we go. There's a nice new button there. Okay, and that one I didn't edit, but at least we've got a proper button now. Also, I've made a mistake with the putting that text in there. I shouldn't have done that, but you know, it will be an actual buy button, and there we go. That's jolly good. And as you can see, I've got 2 of them in there, in case they want to do it, in case it was a long description or something. And there's the image now on the left hand side rather than all the way across. Okay, so it's that easy to change things. I just needed to change the text in that or something. That's all. I guess I left it actually saying that for some reason. I don't know why I did that. So again, it's as easy as, I won't re-import that one, but it's as easy as you know, setting the text to be whatever you want. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Oops. There we go. Just need to say add to cart, whatever. It can be large. Let's do the same thing we did on the other one. Make the background red, and let's make the text yellowish. So yeah, I should copy and paste the hex value really to make it accurate. But anyway, but you can see, you know, there we are. Now it's happening. I'll just make sure that one says add to cart. Yeah, okay, it does. Yeah, good. And then that would be it. And if I import it again, it would be right now. I won't do that because it's gone on for half an hour already. But there you are. You can see, you know, that we've got our very own theme with our very own layout. We can add extra pages, whatever we want to do. You know, take out the navigation, add custom HTML, anything we want. You know, within the theme. And you're doing this without having to hire a coder or a designer, and obviously all of the dynamic stuff from Shopify, you know, the products and the cart and all that stuff, and the menuing is all being added, you know, dynamically. I just need to decide what I'm going to do with the menuing. On this one, I haven't put any headers or footers in, so you know, there we are. So that's it. If you want it, then you can go to click.com/John Shopify Theme Builder. John Shopify Theme Builder. Click.com John Shopify Theme Builder. And it's a one-time fee, and yeah, you could. It's unlimited theme templates you can make, and obviously distributing them is as easy as, you know, selling someone or installing the zip file for them, and then they can customize it with their products. And as you see, they can still customize the color schemes and that kind of stuff. Okay, that's it. Talk to you then. Bye for now.